Hey everybody, Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and right now you're taking a look at what's going on in our PPF room. Now, if you're unfamiliar with paint protection film, you've got to watch this video. It is by far the best way to protect your vehicle against rock chips. Now, in this video, you're going to see another Lucid Air getting paint protection film to make sure that that showroom finish lasts forever. So while these automobiles are unbelievable, there are some shortfalls with them from the factory, and one of them is calipers. As you can see, this awesome blue color really sets the calipers off in this Lucid.